season 2 of Projects Around the House, PATH. I have to go quick today because I kind of messed up this cabinet, and it's one of my wife's favorite cabinets, so I just put the last shellac on this, and I got to do it quickly, so I couldn't show you all the steps. I want to do it fast because if she comes back and sees this, shit's going to hit the fan. So I'm going to finish that up. I'm actually going to let it dry, and while it's drying, I'm just going to cut the grass, and by then this should be ready, and I'll put it back on the cabinet.
In the parking lot, waiting outside. No, look to my left, and you were in the car.